Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to erase in Bluebeam. So if you've drawn something by mistake using pen tool or freeform highlighter, um, Bluebeam's eraser tool actually lets you to erase the portions you don't want without deleting the entire markup. So here's exactly how to do it. So launch Bluebeam, review desktop, and open the PDF containing the markup that you want to erase. Then from there, just head over to tools at the top right, at the top corner of the screen, and head over to markup. And then for markup, just go ahead and click on eraser. So you can also press shift and E on your keyboard to activate the eraser instantly. Now after selecting the eraser, you see that the toolbar appears. All right, so uh okay, this is, let me get a drawing like available. So after selecting the eraser, you may necessarily not see the toolbar that appears. You just have the, okay, let's say I go back to activate my eraser and I have it here. You're just going to see the pencil, the eraser icon appear ready to erase. So all you're just going to have to do is to, click and hold your left mouse button, then drag the eraser across the pen or freeform highlighter markup. All right, or just double click and just drag it across the ones or the parts that you want to erase, and just release the mouse. So once you release the mouse, that's it. So as you drag the portion that will be removed, it turns gray, which you saw there. Then it gives you a preview of what will be erased. Then if you change your mind before releasing the mouse, you can just press ESC to cancel the erase operations. All right, or you can just go ahead and click on the pen icon from the markup at the bottom of the screen and Control Z, so it brings it back. So once that Control Z, you just know that you have to select these again, the eraser again, to get it out. Then you can now erase and release the mouse. So once you release the mouse button, it permanently erases the highlighted portion of the markup. So the remaining parts of the markup stay intact. Okay, so the eraser tool only works for pen markups and freeform, that is pen model highlighter markups. So it does not erase standard text highlights. It does not erase text in PDF. It does not erase images. It does not erase lines or other PDF page content. Okay, so go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.